All right, guys, so 100% today would not be possible without you guys and, of course, my sponsor, knivesdeal.com. For 10% off, use promo code SendItSteve, all one word, will get you the chance to win a mini Jeep like this. For every dollar you spend is an entry. Go get your entries while they last. But again, I do want to really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and also for dealing with my knivesdeal.com ads and, you know, making your purchases. I get messages. I say I get messages at least 3 times to 5 times a week saying that they made a purchase off knivesdeal.com, and it is a better piece because of the price. The price, guys, is 100% why you buy knivesdeal.com. When you're done with them, you can literally throw them away, buy another one, and you're still, if you lose one, it doesn't hurt you. Knivesdeal.com, guys. Again, 10% off. Use promo code SendItSteve, all one word. I thank them, and one of you will take one of these home. A brand new one, guys, not this one. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the footage, and you might have already seen it in the video, but roll the footage. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I, of course, am SendItSteve, and, well, today I think we're going to do something that you guys do not anticipate me doing, and it is sort of why I venture my channel to be a lot different than anyone else's. I'm sporadic, I'm spontaneous, and possibly borderline crazy. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and load the F450 up to the trailer. Oh, I just gave it away. Son of a biscuit. All right, let me try this again, because obviously I already made the purchase and I'm already back, but I'm gonna make it seem like we're going to get it right now. But guys, we're gonna load the truck to the trailer, and we got, I think it's a 2.5 hour drive, and we're gonna go pick something up. Now, I didn't record much, as you know, like I said, it is kind of weird to have a camera in people's face when you go there to buy something or look at something. It's kind of weird to kind of be like, hey, how are you? So I didn't take the camera along until later on in the trip, or early on and then after, but by then I was already home, and some of the footage doesn't really look good, so that's why I'm obviously recording it now. But we are off. We're gonna go get this thing, and I think you guys are going to be, I think this is gonna be a mixed review thing. I don't think it's gonna be hit or miss. And I do wanna say again, guys, this is not gonna be a project for the channel. This is something that I purchased for myself, pretty much to save some fuel mileage. As you do know, Danny is an 1.5 hour drive from me, and we're going to be taking it fairly frequent because obviously we're doing the 53 build. Also, we are going to be taking the Corvette down to Danny. Danny wants to mess around with it and get it up and running, so I'm super thankful for Danny in that situation. So we're gonna have a lot of running and back and forth to do, and this thing is going to save me a tremendous amount on fuel. As I'm spending, to go back and forth to Danny's, it's cost me $100 to go down and back twice, so it's freaking expensive, and I definitely need this. So I'm gonna roll some footage, and then I'll be back to talk to you in a minute. Well, as you guys do know, I cannot sit still. I literally, on a whim, found this, and I gotta go buy it. It'll be a quick flip, I promise you guys. I'll show you when we get there. There you go, Cletus McFarland. This is the guy that you need to talk to. I'm gonna try to speed up and get his information. It said like triple F flying. If you are watching this, we got a buddy that needs you. He's got a helicopter and wants to buy one. Definitely check him out. first fire up. Oh, I gotta pull the clutch. Stand by. Oh boy, obviously you can tell it's the first fire up. The bike does have 22,000 miles on it, but it was super well maintained, as you can tell by the pictures and things. As you can tell by the things, it was super well maintained, and I cannot wait to ride this thing. So the reason I did purchase this bike was mainly because it is 100% all stock. Now the only thing it does have is it does have some lighting on it, blue lights. I'll go ahead and insert the picture here. This was sort of last night when I got home, so I'll insert the picture real quick. And like I said, it has, you know, lighting around the engine crankcase here. It has it up here. And then this is actually the freaking one that is cool. This is actually on the inside. And I believe it's actually designed to be for the intake, because obviously we know that's the intake snorkel. But look, it's got the blue lights in here for the running lights. I mean, this bike is freaking cool. Never laid down. No issues with it, as you do know. There, I think I turned them on. Yeah, you can tell it has inside there, it does have the blue, which is freaking sick. I mean, guys, I actually do like this bike. Now 100% I am a Kawasaki person, and you will see a Kawasaki in an upcoming video, and it's not my bike. But let's get out here and take it for a rip, guys. Why not? I mean, we have it. I fully, you know, I mean, the title is right here in my hand. I'm freaking pumped, guys. Let's take it out for a spin, and then I'll be back with you to do a closing. Oh boy, this is honestly going to be the true first ride. I mean, I did ride it around the block over there at the guy's house and onto the trailer, but this is 100% the first ride on the old Gixxer here. Now, some of you guys probably didn't know that I rode, but if you remember back in Andy's video or Mike's video, I rode Andy's bike, and well, I'll show you some footage from that if I can find it. Guys, so it is a little bit of wind here, but there you have it, guys. I mean, what a freaking killer deal. I literally paid $2,250 for this bike, and I mean, it's gonna save me that in fuel. I think running back and forth to Danny's, it might cost me $10 to ride. So again, when I do go back and forth to Danny's, I am gonna obviously have a helmet on and things like that. I'm kind of like local-ish to my area here, down at the local quarry. But there you have it, guys. If you like the content, I mean, like I said, it's not gonna be on the channel often, but I mean, we do have a bike now. So again, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys' support. I'm gonna probably put some clips of just out here riding it for a little bit. I have about 45 minutes before we gotta go get Momo, so I might as well enjoy it while I can before, you know, it's just riding back and forth to get to back and forth to Danny's. So again, guys, let me know, should we wrap it and should we do an exhaust? Like I said, it's 100% stock at this point. I don't really want to do anything crazy, but I mean, that's not really my favorite color scheme, so I'm not 100% sure. Danny does have some yellow left over from a truck he wrapped. Should we do yellow? But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video of the C5.